The 1 hour inverted fair value gap was the reason that I took that trade. So we had this bullish move, obviously, right? And then we're in this 1 hour. This was a bearish fair value gap. So originally I had this as an orange color. So yeah, so we had this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame here, right here, we had between this wick over there and between this wick right there, it's not exactly right there. We had this guy, this candle ended up closing above it. So then basically I wanted to enter on the pullback of the inverted fair value gap. So once it inverted, I usually change it to a yellow color. And then basically I got in here, 29,732, 3 contracts. I ended up adding 1 contract right there. Also on this pullback, I added 1. Then we pulled back deeper and I got in on 2 bullish fair value gaps inside this inverted fair value gap. So I ended up getting to a total of 11 contracts. And then as we got up back to this high where we ended up reversing, I started scaling out. And yeah, worked out real good. Worked out real good. MNQ is moving. Yeah, we're just going straight up here. So you're gonna have to get some sort of a pullback here. Come on, guys. We got the hourly candle here in about 1 second here. There we go. So we did invert that fair value gap. So let's change this color here to yellow. Maybe what we need to do is target the top of this channel, because that kind of looks like the breakout point. Put the stop just below the channel here. So it's a 56-point stop. And then we could target, if we go to 800, it's basically a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Yeah, we totally inverted that 1 hour fair value gap. Easy, eh? Got to get logged in on the right account here real quick so I can be ready. Okay, so we're looking at 733. Oh, geez. That was an accident, but I guess we're going to stick with it for now. I didn't mean to do that. 5-3 limit there. 3 limit. I might try to just get out of these contracts quickly here. Just I want to wait for a pullback here a little bit. So if I get into the profit here, I'll probably just close these guys real quick and then just try to re-enter here on a pullback. Okay, we got out of that, basically break even there, down $6, no big deal. I accidentally hit when I was trying to queue up these orders. I accidentally hit buy limit. So let's see here, 731, 718, probably 705, 705, 704. There we go. I like that. I like that. Going all right. Going all right. No, I wasn't in a win trade. I just accidentally hit the buy button there instead of placing my orders like I wanted to here. I'm patient here. I'll be waiting for a pullback. We did dip into those orders at 50, so we're probably going to get at least a 15-point pullback there. So 40, 35. So I should be able to get in hopefully on some of these contracts. So then I'll put a 9-point stop, nine contract stop sort of down here at the bottom of this gap. So 685. There we go. Trade is set. Hopefully we get it. Hopefully we get this pullback that I'm looking for. Look at me. I'm asking for a pullback here. Come on. Get us back down to the 30s here. Where's my limit order? I got my first order is at 32. My next one's at 22. And my third one is at 12. 33, 23, and 13, actually. Am I playing the range? No, because we inverted this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, I'm hoping that we get some sort of retracement into that gap for an entry before we end up going higher here, targeting sort of the 800s. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. We have orders above at 800, so that's probably going to be our next target. So I'd like to get a better entry, wait for a pullback here. Yeah, I got an entry there. We're in with 3 micros now. Khaled, is New York open Friday? No, it will be, well, I mean, the market will be open, but it won't be like a true New York session. The market will be open tomorrow. It'll be a short day, but it's not like a true New York session. Volume will be a little bit lower. Dinner. Well, it looks like we're getting a nice pop here off this level. Bullish engulfing on 3 minute. So far, the trade's looking good, yeah. I'm trying to think, should I be trying to add into this bad boy or not? Starting to pop up here again. Miss K and Kyle going, what's up? Thinking about adding one here. I just don't want to add too early. So what did we hit there? We hit 50, 45. Buyers just trying to hold this level here at the, what is this here? 50 level. Okay, I did add one there. I'll put another one contract up here. So one limit. And then since we have 4, we're going to have to change this to a 10. I mean, I don't want us to get all the way down there, but just in case we get some sort of crazy news candle. You're short here? Stop 760? Oh no, Gordon's here, guys. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted to hear. Gordon's here and he's fading me. That's trouble. Wow, we're getting a pop. We are getting a pop here. The logic behind the 795 TP is that we have orders at 800. So I'm just going to front run those orders at 800. That's what I'm looking at right there. Yeah, wrong trade, Jim. The reason I put my TP at 95 is we have 140 contracts at 800. So I'm hoping that we're going to end up getting up there. But I don't really like this pullback. Getting a bit of a deeper pullback here. Might be another opportunity for an add-in. I hope this thing doesn't completely turn around on me here. I mean, it's possible it will. You never know. Kind of want to add one though. So I'm actually going to move these orders here into these fair value gap. And this stop loss should come up a bit here also, since we're getting in a little bit heavier here. Let's just hope that this thing decides to bounce here off this pullback. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this actually has to be 11 contracts, this stop. Might need to tap into this fair value gap though before we end up popping up here. Still got the orders up at 800. 732 was a bull flag conversion. Yeah, we did have a bull flag in there, didn't we? On the 3-minute, this guy right here, right? Which isn't very good. But if we look at the 5-minute, we didn't have it there. There was no FVGs. Now, if we invert this fair value gap and this guy, like, I'm definitely gonna have to be out of this trade ASAP. Okay, I got tagged in on 3 more contracts there. It's like one of those trades where, like, I wish I just took profits and then I could be re-entered here on this pullback, right? Could have locked in about 275 or whatever up here. Instead, we're facing a little bit of a potential drawdown here. And maybe it's going to go to a stop, right? Possibly. I might need to give this a little bit more space here. I'm just going to go to the bottom of the stop anyways. Let's go, Bulls. Yes, here we go. Here we go. We needed that pullback here before they're going to rip up to the 800s, please. Come on, NQ. Don't be dirty. 1 hour candle looking real sketchy, eh? Ooh, I see what you're saying. Well, unless it decides to go all the way up here and makes it a big green 1 hour candle to finish. We got only 12 minutes left on this guy, though. We're going to have to get some big volume here pretty quick, I guess, eh? Hopefully we can at least just flip it to a green 1 hour candle. That would be nice. And we got about 12 minutes left. Yeah, we really got to invert this fair value gap. We need a closure above 752 here on this. Well, it would be nice on this candle, but at least on the next 2 candles anyways. This candle or the next one. Oh, we almost inverted that, guys. We almost inverted that. We're going to 800s here. Let's just be patient here. Come on. I feel like I should probably think about taking some profits up at the 770 area. Take some of this off anyways. We'll take these 2 micros here. We'll put them at the 770s just so we can at least de-risk a little bit if we get a nice little pop. I only have 3 up here. So that means 3, 4, 5, 11, 10, 9. I need 9 up here. So while we're waiting for this trade to hopefully play out here, we do need to get an inversion on this fair value gap, guys. Let's put on a high day view up here. Okay, we're at least above the high day view up, which is good. Let's go. We'll make this guy orange for now. So we need to stay. It would be ideal if we stay above this view up, since it's our anchored high day view up. That's gonna at least give us a little more confidence that we're gonna head higher here. I got 2 micros here. The other 9 are up at 94. I think I'm taking one off here, guys. Took one off there, so I gotta lower this guy to 10 now. Yeah, we gotta see a new high here. I got 1 more micro there to take off at 772 here. Looks like we're gonna get it right now. Go, 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 get it. I'm just gonna take it. So I gotta make this stop now down to 9. Firm. I should probably protect this trade now. We're gonna go break even here. I'm gonna take 3 more off here. Yeah, we got those 3 off. Well, we got 1 off of those 3. Come on. Okay, so what do I have? I have 6 contracts left. Okay, 6 there. Confirm. This guy go down to 6 contracts. Confirm. And I'm gonna lock this into here just in case. Just in case. Yeah, I'm taking 3 more off here, guys. Let's see. So I got 3 contracts left now. So we'll leave 3 runners here. If we end up getting back below this candle, maybe we should go down to like the 3-minute. We can manage it a little bit better there on the 3-minute. No, I'll put it right down here to above the high day VWAP. 3 contracts left here in this trade. Let's see if we can't get these to go all the way to the TP here. How do you set more than one TP on TradingView? These are, I set them through Trade of 8. So I got like I got the trade here. I got the trade on the side here on Trade of 8. So if you want to add more contracts on there, you can do it like that. Take it one more. Take it one more off. So only 2 contracts left here. Just don't like how we're not getting more momentum. We might get a deeper pullback here before we end up going higher. So on the price bar, you can set on a sell limit and it should do it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's no problem, right? I'm up over 500 tonight. Sounds like a good spot to stop and get some sleep. Hey, Clee, good job. Good job. Beautiful. Nice patience there on holding that trade. No, I'm not losing faith. I just being conservative, taking some risk off, locking in some profits. As soon as we start printing another green candle, I'll probably end up moving my stop up. Did we just wick down all the way down to? Yeah, we did. Hey, we just wicked down into that fair value gap. We're gonna go to the 800s now. With that kind of a wick there, all the way down to this fair value gap and a quick bounce. If this candle flips green, we're probably gonna just get a little rocket here. Let's do one of these guys. Do one of those. Do one of these. Let's see if we can't get this thing to rocket here. Give us a rocket ship. This one. So we just need to make a trade deal. We just need to make a trade deal, guys. Come on, boner candle here, guys. We got all the drawings in place. Come on, BC. Give us a BC right now. There we go. Go. All the way. Let's go. Wait a second here. These orders are at 90. I'm going to actually lower this just a little bit to 92. I don't want to be greedy here. Should I take one more? I'm taking one more. I took one more off there. Don't be a D for a T. Don't tell me that's it. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Is that it? 790? I mean, it's so close, right? You gotta give that as the trade right there. It's like we pretty much hit it. If the airplane works, you're adding it to all your trades. I'm trying not to be a D for a T here, guys. I guess I'm gonna just put the stop here. I'll put my stop here. It might take me out on the stop. Yeah, I'm out, guys. I'm out. Fully out.